Read each statement. Read each statement carefully before attempting to solve the problems. Make sure you show how you arrive at your answer. In this space provided on the paper, complete the task in part 1 and answer questions in part 2 and 3. Instruction to begin. Carefully read the instruction to the task, then move on. You will be given 1 hour and 30 minutes. Part 1. Determine the cons- the consti- the
Oh, the costing, yeah.
costing of the care care package. You and the members of your FH club at your school would like to deliver care care packages in the community. The table below shows the cost of each type in each package. Sir, can you scroll down?
All right.
Care packages. Items. Rice, 3 kilograms. The cost is $185. Flour, 3 kg. Costs $120. Sugar, 5 k. Costs $250. Ketchup costs $350. Soda costs $120. Question 1. How much money will the member of a FH club need to raise the delivery 10 care packages?
Yeah. So they wanted to calculate how much money it would cost to deliver 10 care packages. So this is one package, right? They gave you they itemize it, and they gave you the cost for each item, and you're saying what will be the cost of 10 of them. So I want you guys to work out that, please. And remember, please show all working.
Sir, when it's time to do the working out, can I do the working out, sir?
All right, so you want to do it for question 1. All right, so we have a
Yes.
volunteer already. Thanks, Brian. So Brian will do the workout as he said, but everyone has to do it for themselves. All right, and let me go back to my number just in case somebody don't see my number. This is my number. All right, so this is for one care package, and they ask for 10. All right, thanks. Let me just read one more time for the persons. All right. It says part 1, determine the costing of care packages. You and the members of your 5H club, I think Brian said if so your 5H club at your school would like to deliver care packages in the community. Table below show the cost of each item in each package. So notice the word each. You can replace each with one, right? And rice is 5 kilograms, 3 kilogram rather, costing $185. Flour 3 kilogram costing $120. Flour, 3 kilogram, which is 120, and of course sugar 5 kg, that's 250, and ketchup $350. The soda is $120. What's the cost of 10 care packages? How much money will the 5-age club need to raise to deliver 10 care packages? Go ahead, guys, you can answer. For grade 5, you'll be doing performance tasks only. Grade 4, you'll be doing performance tasks. However, you will be doing multiple choice as well. The grade 5, we won't go to those marathon. Grade 3 and 4 will do those, like the diagnostic test and the grade 4. And I know some parents gonna say, Mr. Benny, I want them to come same way, but yeah, it's not really necessary. But if somebody want to come, you know I won't prevent you or anything. Yeah, Joan. Yeah, send it to the WhatsApp, please. And you can send your name so I save it. Because you don't want it to be a case where one person get it and we say, all right, the whole class understand. That's not very, it's not a very nice thing. I want to see each person do it for themselves so we can assess. All right. But I don't know what to call your name, you know. If you send your name in our voice note. Is it Joandi or Joani? To get used to your name. Ramira, correct. Good job, good job. Guys, one thing though, guys, if I pronounce your name wrong, somebody say, yeah, but with a teacher, you know. Just you can send me a voice note and then I will correct it. All right. Good job, Tesika, correct. All right, guys. One question. Let me just clarify something. Um, Someone actually called me on the phone to ask, and somebody texted me and said this. This that we are giving represent one care package. Notice the word each. See there, it says the cost of each item in each care package. So this is the cost of just one care package. All right, but you are to find the cost of 10 of these care packages. All right, hope that clear the air in terms of a lot of persons asking it. Somebody having problem logging on. All right, all right. Correct, Deandra. Good job. Correct, Kimaya. Guys, that's what me do. Me like to respond to everyone. You know them way they, we don't want nobody feel left out. Good job. I can't call the name. Good job, Lavina. I think that's your mom name. Lavina. Good job. All right. Good job, Kalia. Kalia. All right. So those persons have sent you text for you to do the necessary correction. All right. We're gonna text you as well. Can't take my call now. Can't take my call. All right, Kayla, good job as well. Ritika, Ritika. All right, so it's Ritika. Good job, Ritika. Hope that's how you pronounce it. After class, you can send me a voice note of how you actually pronounce it, because I know it's a little bit different from our pronunciation. All right, good job, guys. I've seen some incorrect ones too, so we're gonna talk about that after Brian presents. Good job, Ariana. Well done, Journey. Javid, you're taking the pic, but you're taking the shadow in it, so I can't see. All right, Brian, good job. All right. Good job, Ashani. So guys, Brian asked to go through this one, so we're gonna give him the opportunity. It was Brian Weather, Fairweather, right? Not Brian Israel Brown. So some persons find it a little bit challenging. So Brian, after you explain, I will try to, clear up some things on what I saw. All right, Brian, good job. All right, let's put Brian on the floor now, guys. That's how we do it, right? And then each person. Oh, guys, we normally join with the one name so I can identify you. All right? But that's it. That's it. I'm not seeing Brian. Brian, you fell off? I'm not seeing Brian at all. Brian, if you're there, put up your hand. Okay. All right, go ahead, Brian.
Sir, I was the Samsung, so
Oh, oh,
I was using my mom's phone.
okay. All right. No problem, man. Good job, Liam. All right, you can begin now.
Okay, sir. So at first, I started off first. Instead of going straight to the thing, I put, I put, I labeled. what I had. So I labeled rice, and since 3 kilograms cost 185, so I would have to multiply by 10 with the 3 because it says 10 times. So 10 multiplied by 3 equals 30 kilograms.
Oh, you
So,
change the kilogram. Okay.
and then since the cost for it is 185 for 3, and for 3 kilograms you get 185. So if it's 30 kilograms down there, you would have to multiply 10 by 105 to get. So multiply 10 by 185, which gives you 1,850. And then for flour, I did the same thing. So flour would be 3 kilograms also. So the same thing that I did for the rice would go down for the flour. But for the money, it would be changed. So, so 3 multiplied by 10 would equal 30 kilograms. And then 120 multiplied by 10 will give you 1,200. No, sir, you're multiplying 10 by it, and you get 1,200.
Yeah, Brian, I get it, man. I get it.
And then for sugar, it says it's 5 kilograms. So 5 kilograms multiplied by 10 would be 50 kg. So 250 multiplied by 10 would give you $2,500. And then for the ketchup, it says 350 for one ketchup bottle. So so 350 multiplied by 10 would be 3,500.
All right. Yeah, man, you can talk. I'm listening.
Soda, it says so 120 is for one soda. So it says 10 times. So you're going to multiply 120 by 10, which gives you 1,200. Then, sir, after that, I added up all of it to get the price. If it was 10 the 10 packages. So add up all of that, the price you would get is 10,200, 250.
10,000.
250.
All right. Thanks so much, Brian. Let me get some feedback. I see Gabriel has her hand up. I don't know if you want to. If, Gabriel, do you want to make a point, Gabriel? Go ahead.
Yes, sir. There's a shorter way to do it.
All right. So Gabriel is gonna show us. Bob, me one class. You can link me back, bro. Gabriel is gonna show us the short way. Go ahead, Gabriel. Because you know it's
So
all
the
about yeah, being effective
so
in the. Go ahead.
So the question asks, how much money will the members of the 5H Club need to raise to deliver 10 care packages? So you're going to add the cost of the 10 care pack of the items each. 350 plus 250 plus 185 plus 120 plus 120 gives you 1025. That is one 10 care packages. And then you're going to multiply 1025 times 10. 050 020 000 Then you're going to put your placeholder. Then 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. Then you're going to add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 it stays the same. So the answer would be 10 care package would cost 10,250.
All right, so that's another way. I don't want to dismiss any one way. All right. I would go the route Gabriel goes as well, because tell you what, guys, in exam you want to be very efficient and time efficient, right? So you don't want to be spending a lot of time when you have more tasks. Brian, I know you multiplied this to get how much kilogram, but this was not totally necessary since it's per, they gave you per unit, right? So it's just 1 bag of kilogram, 3 kilogram rice costs 185. So we didn't necessarily have to work out this. This just took up a little more time, right? And it's not necessary. But yeah, good job, both of you. Very good. Good job, everyone. One of the error that I saw though, persons only add it up and get 1. So when they get the 1 care package, they did not multiply it by 10. Remember, this represent 1 single care package. All right. A lot of persons didn't read it. When they read it, they didn't get the interpretation of it at first. But after I said this represent 1, then most persons got it correct. So well done. All right. Good job, guys. Good job. Big up that place. I like them videos and them something like wow. All right. Question 2. Can I get a reader? Apart from Brian, who read first. Who wants to read? All right. Javier. Your mom just asked me if you're in class. Oh, that's how you pronounce your name? Javier?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Go ahead. Your mom just asked me if you're in class. I guess she was trying to read you. Go ahead. Not hearing. Let me see if I can get to it.
Um, okay.
Right. Yeah, go ahead. We are hearing you now.
Yes.
We're not hearing. All right. Let me.
Um, um,
Hold on, Javier. Try somebody. Kijani. That's how you pronounce your name? Or
Yes, sir.
Kaija? Kijani. Okay. All right, go ahead. Your hand was up. Could you read for us?
You are responsible for creating a flyer to encourage people in your community to donate funds towards purchasing the care packages. Design a table that shows the number of care packages that can be made based on the donation amount. Number of care packages 10, 15, 20, 50, 100. Donation amount.
Yeah. So, guys, you get the idea. Thanks so much. You get the idea now. You're going to actually calculate the care packages if it's 15. So, we already did for 10, right? If it's 15, if it's 20, if it's 50, if it's 100. So, do we need to go back up? Draw your little table, guys. So, I can go back up and let's just, well, I'll do you. Everyone would have worked out the cost for 1. But I don't know if you want to do it like how Brian did it. I think that's where it can be a bit difficult when the number get higher. But guys, I want you to fill out this table. So you already got this one, right? Which work out to 10,250. So you're gonna work it out for 15. You're gonna work it for 20, 50, and 100. This might take a little while, right? But if you use Gabriel method, it might get you a little faster. That's what I'm thinking. All right, so go ahead and complete that task. And as usual, Please WhatsApp me, guys. I like to see your work. I like to see your work. Please show the working. Do not just type in this alone. That's not how maths is done, right? Show all the working, just like what Gabriel and Brian did, and so forth. Because this is performance tasks. They want to ensure that you really understand. All right? And when you reach grade 6, you'll be doing money as well. Unit costs and so is a part of it. So this is a nice exercise, not just for when you're in lower school. When you go grade 6 as well, it will be really good for you. So go ahead, guys, have fun. All right, so somebody says, sir, I don't understand. So this is what, let me explain again. We know the cost for one of the care package, right? Because we had worked it out up there. Just give me a second, guys. This is the cost of one care package here, right? This represents one care package. If this is the cost for one, they want you to work out what 10 costs, what 15 costs, what 20 costs, I think 50 and 100. So it's a lot of calculation they want you to do. But they want you to work out if one costs $1,025, how much would 10 cost? You already did that one, right? How much would 15 cost? How much would 20 cost? How much would 50 cost? And 100, right? So that's basically what they want us to do. Pause the video. This might take a little while. I'm not gonna lie about that. All right. Let me put Journey on. Journey want to make a comment. Go ahead, Journey.
Sir, I'm finished, but I have a question.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Yeah. Do we have to work out the rest of them or just put the answer? Because I'm finished, sir.
But wouldn't
So
you
the
show how you
working
get?
for each?
Yeah, I would love that, honestly. Because what happen, I know it's some persons might have access to calculator and we don't want that. We want to ensure that each person can actually multiply for themselves, all right?
I'm not a calculator, sir.
No, man, I'm not saying that you do it, but I'm just saying, just to ensure, yeah. So show the working,
Okay,
just like what? Yeah, thanks. Remember, it's performance task, guys. They would want you to show the working. When it's the other one, multiple choice, you don't necessarily have to show the working, right? Ariana finished and she showed me all the working as well. All right. Well done, Rikita. Tika. All is completed in your table as well. Awesome job. All right. So some persons work a little faster than some. But guys, we have to practice. The more we practice, the faster we become. Did you guys know that? All right. Another person got all of it correct. Let me see who this is. That's Pino. I think you said I shouldn't call your first name, so Pino. Good job. This person did not show working, only the answer. So I'm saying please just show the working. Yeah, Demari. All right. Let me see who this is. The person got it correct as well. Let me see the name. What's the name again? Gidwan. I hope that's how we pronounce it. Good job, good job. You know yourself. All right, Kimoya, you completed it as well. Thanks for showing the working, guys. All right. Thank you so much. Asanik, you completed it as well. Oh, guys, we didn't have a volunteer for this one. I think Tessika volunteer. So when everyone is finished, Tessika will present. All right. Thanks so much. This is really good doing it, guys. I like it. This one is also correct. Good job. That's Deandra Pino. All right. Yeah, you must do all of them. All of them, guys. All of them. Yeah. For 10, for 15, all of them. That's correct. Brian, I think your table is a little bit small, so it makes it a little bit difficult for me to see it. All right. Good job as well. That's Dija. All right. Give me 1 second, Khalil. Just, all right. So somebody want me to scroll down. I guess I want to see the table itself. Right? Good job, Gabriel. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks so much. Good job for this one as well. That's Liam. All right, so I'm gonna put on Tessika to walk us through this one. Very good job, guys. For PEP, it requires you to do the 4 basic operations very well. So as we go along, we should be able to do all 4: multiplication, long division, addition, subtraction. All right. Let's put Tessica on the floor. Amari, I soon check it. I saw your text now. Clark, you want to present or you take down your hand?
Yes, sir.
You want to present?
No, sir.
Okay, take down your hand. All right. All right. I see Deandra and up, so let me take Deandra. Remember, now, guys, everyone or not, well, not everyone at the same time, but anyone can present. So if you feel comfortable enough, you can present. All right. Go ahead, Deandra.
Sir, so what I did for 15, sir, I had 10,250 and I multiplied it by the 15. And I got my answer as 153,750. So I did 5 times 0 is 0. 5
Wait,
times 5 is 25.
wait. All right, carry through the process. Wait just 1 second. So it's 1,025 times 15.
No,
Go ahead.
sir. 10,250.
Oh, 10,250 times
15.
all right.
So, sir, I did 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2 and put down the 5. 5 times 2 is 10 plus the 2, which is 12. Carry the 1 and put down the 2. 5 times 0 is 0 plus the 1, 1. 5 times 1 is 5. They're going to put 0 as their placeholder. 1 0 0, 1 5 5, 1 2 2, 1 0 0, and 1 1 1. So they're going to add now. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 0 is 5. And 1 plus nothing is 1.
So I should put 153,750 here.
Sir, yes, sir. Are you going to put a comma between the 3 and the 7?
All right. So you want to continue for 20 or someone? I can give another person.
I'll continue for 20. And 2 other persons can do 50 and 100.
All right.
So, sir, you're going to put back the 10,250. Sir, but this time you're going to multiply it by the 20. So 0 times everything is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Or you can do that. So you're going to put your placeholder at the bottom. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 5 is 10. Carry the 1 and put down the 0. 2 times 2 is 4 plus the 1, which leaves 5. 2 times 0 is 0, so you put down the 0. And 2 times 1 is 2. So I got that as my answer. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 2 plus nothing is 2. Yes. Wait. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
All right. So let me put on someone else and see if they agree with the Angels workout. And then that person can do the other two. All right. Gian. Gian, your hand is up. Do you? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Do you agree with the Angels two workout? And then you can walk us through the other two.
No, sir, I don't agree.
All right. Why you disagree?
Because she's multiplying 15 and 20 by 10250. You're supposed to multiply it by 1, and the 10,250 is for 10.
Oh, so this 10,050 is already 10.
So you're not going to multiply by 15. You're going to multiply 1,025 by 15 and 20.
Okay. All right.
So
Yeah.
it's her answer, but without the 0 at the end.
Okay. All right. So that means it should have been 15,375.
Yes,
All
and
right.
20,500. Those two.
All right. Let me just write about this. 5, 7, 5. What about the 20? You said 20,500?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you're going to walk us through the other two.
Now we're going to do 1,025 times 50. So 0 times everything, 0. So there's going to be 4 zeros. Then we're going to place a stakeholder. 5 times 5 is 25. We're going to put down the 5 and carry the 2. Then 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Put the 2 and carry the 1.
Very good.
5 times 0, 0, plus 1, 1. And then 5 times 1 is 5. So it's going to be 51,250.
All right. What about 101?
Now we're going to do, we can do 1,025 times 50, but we can also do 51,250 times 2.
You know, I was listening for you guys to say that a long time from here. I was saying, nobody said that. All right. Good job. Good job.
So then 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 5, 10. Put down the 0 and carry the 1. 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. 2 times 1, 2. And 2 times 5, 10. 102,500.
Correct. Very good. So, Deandra, you made a little error because you used the cost for 10 and not for 1. So that was the error. Remember up here, when we had calculated, that's a second. Thanks so much. I can't pronounce your name so good yet, as yet, but I will listen to a voice note, all right? And then I will be able to pronounce it. When we did this, we had this 10,250 represent for 10 care packages, but this here was for 1. So guys, be very careful in the examination that we don't do anything like this. This was for 10, so you should have used it for 1. All right, thanks so much, Gian. That was well done. All right. You know, they actually give me this box to work out, but boy, when the teacher now have no sense. That's the box, you know. That's the box that they gave us to work out. All right, let's look at question 3. It says 2 food stores are having a sale on high-tech tomato ketchups. Food store A, guys, read this one very carefully, Food store A is selling a box of 6-pack 1.09 kilogram ketchup for 2,250, while food store B is selling a box of 10 1.09 kilogram ketchup for 3,500. Which store offer the better deal? This question is a giveaway, I think it's a giveaway. All right, go ahead and tell me, guys. Is it store A or store? But seeing this, I would have modified it. Yeah, would have gone through it. All right, still answer it, guys. Still answer it. I think everyone will just get it easily. Agree, Brian. I'm gonna be saying that a lot. Agree, Deandra. I'm not seeing this one so wonderful. Right? Renaissance, that will be it. Correct, Liam. Good job. Agree, Ariana. Guys, remember which is your choice. Even though you show me the workout, state which is the choice. So if it's, is it A or B? Even though you gave me the workout, still send it. Because I realize some person have the correct workout, but they still chose the wrong store. All right. Agree, Joandi. Agree, Israel. Rikita, I agree with that as well. Good job. Paige, I agree with yours as well. Good job. Israel as well. Good job. Gabriel, agree. All right, somebody say they chose This one, even though it's more expensive. Hold on, let me check some. Somebody made a point. Let me just check some. Just give me 1 second, guys. Somebody keep saying they want to be a part of the marathon. I'll send the code. That's almost finished though. Oh Lord. Oh guys, in the future, please just do everything before, because once class time and I see we start work, we don't have time for answer calls, guys. That's some work. We don't have time for, it's like once class start, I hit that for me. We have to zone in on what we're doing. Can't have, I can't be answering calls and so. Good job, Pino. All right. This one was good. A few persons chose A as their answer. A few persons chose B. Can give a reason as well, all right? Somebody asked if I can explain. All right, let me do it quickly, guys. It says food stores are having sale on Pytech tomato ketchups. Food store A is selling a box of six 1.09 ketchup for 2,250, while store B is selling a box which is 10 for 1.09 of 1.09 ketchup for 3,500. Which store offer the better deal? Somebody said they don't understand. All right. I'm not sure who this is, if this is Tommy, but this person is correct. All right, Tanisha, I would agree with yours. Good job. Symphony, symphony, symphony. Correct, symphony. Thanks for the pronunciation. Hope I got it right. All right. So presentation time, guys. I'm not sure if this is the last one on it. We're gonna put someone on the floor who has their hand up and have not get a chance as yet. Brian, I know it's you, man. Have your number saved. Have your number saved. Have your number saved. All right, so a number of hands up. Let me just pick on one. So it's actually 4 persons. Javier, Tijan, Tijani, and Kimoy. All right, go ahead, Kimoy. shed some light on this for us. That's Timoya Lindo. Not getting Timoya. Oh, let me try some more. Vidya, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, man, go ahead. I saw your hand was up, so I click on you. I was trying Timoya, I'm not getting her, but you can go ahead.
Okay, so I picked store B because each packet costs $350. I divided 10 divided by 3,500 and got 350. Meanwhile, store A has I divided 2,250 divided by 6 and I got 375. So store B I selected.
Okay, all right. And guys, very good. That makes sense, right? Because what she did was calculated. It's a girl or a boy? I think it's a girl. It's per one, right? So what that was very smart. So she worked out what was for one single one, or how much you're getting per one. Because a lot of, oh, it's a girl, yeah, man. All right. So a lot of persons might say, well, because a few persons actually pick store A and say, sir, it is cheaper. But is it cheaper? It's not, because tell you what, if we were to work out the costs, I'm gonna try to put the presenter on. If we were to find out what's the cost of 10 of these, because remember, you're only getting 6 here. I'm gonna put her on, but just to for her to clarify. So this is 6, right? But here for the 3-5, you're getting 10. So let me put her back on because I want, I like when students be the one to active. I'm not seeing her name again. All right, Rikita, I'm putting you back on because a few persons chose A. You can clarify why A couldn't work. Could you work out the cost for 10? How much would, if you're buying 10 of them from store A, how much would that cost?
375 because I did 375 times 10, that gives us 3,750.
Yes, because I want you guys to see the comparison. Very good. See there, guys, because someone was saying it is cheaper, it's actually more expensive, but you're gonna get less. You're only gonna get 6 ketchups, while the other one, you get 10 ketchup. So this is the key part. Thanks so much. All right. So see there, 6. Very good. All right. I don't know, guys, I haven't, some time thing on it. So we have another task. All right, thank God. So it says, part 2, concert fundraiser. The 5H Club has decided to host a concert in the community park. The concert schedule is posted on the community notice board. So look at the park and whatever. The opening remarks from 4 to 4:10 p.m., the magic show from 4:10 to 4:45 p.m., the talent contest from 4:45 to 5:30 p.m., and here we have a raffle from 5:30 to 5:45 p.m. And of course, 5:45 to 6 p.m. announcement. How much time is scheduled for the raffle and announcement? So you guys can WhatsApp that to me. Again, guys, look for the keywords. How much time? And guys, you're gonna find out a lot of time is in the performance task. I'm gonna research on it because nearly every past paper, time is on it as well. So I'm gonna look at it and see if that's one of the main components on the syllabus. I know it's mostly measurement, but time seems to pop up every single time. You get it? Every time, it's real. Every time it pop up though. Every time. So do that for me, please. We did one today in the regular class and it was based on time as well. So you guys can WhatsApp me and I will give immediate feedback. All right. How much time is scheduled for the raffle and announcement? And we do have a question 5, so we're going on good, guys. We're going on good. All right. Gidwani, very good. Very good. That's correct. Um, Inmar, you want to fix that? All right, someone says scroll up. Let me do this again. Found it, guys. Give me 1 second. How much time is scheduled for the raffle ticket and the announcement? I agree with you, Brian. In the regular class, guys, I'm going to put together a tutorial on time. I notice we're not as strong as time as we should be, so I'm going to put a tutorial together for you to, convert from minutes to hours and from this time to this time and so on, because I realize that's going to be a problem. Correct, for some persons. So we're going to fix that. We're not going to wait until exam. We're going to fix it before. I will also post it on YouTube so persons can. All right. This one is correct as well. Good job. Let me see who this is. Correct, Asini. There's another person that got it. Let me see who this is. I don't see the name. Raymara. Raymara. All right. All right. So a few persons said they don't understand. As I say, guys, I literally just said I'm gonna put together a tutorial so everyone can get the understanding of it. Time is a major thing. I saw it on a number of people. Let me see if I can put someone on the floor. A number of persons, a number of persons did not do so well on this, and I think I know why. It's the way they structured the question. It leave for two interpretation. I don't like when they do that. So guys, if they leave it for two interpretation, do both ways, all right? When it close, I wonder which is it, do both ways. Because I think that's the problem. Sometimes they don't structure it in a way that is clear. And when I was in college, that's what they always say. The questions should be clear. Like the task that the student's supposed to do, it should be clear. But sometimes I realize with the paper, the question is not clear as to what they want you to do. And I think that's the problem. I don't think students can't do the task. I think they're not sure of which task to do. And I think they have to fix that going forward. All right? The bigger heads them was the paper. And the practice paper is very similar to them in terms of that. Interpretation. It left a lot of room for interpretation. Agree, Kayla. All right, let me put someone on the floor. Thanks, guys. All right, so a number of persons text me and say they don't understand how to interpret it, and so forth, and so forth. Go ahead, Gabriel. I don't think Gabriel went on as yet. Gabriel, Veron, you there?
So you're going to minus 530 from 545, which gives you 15 minutes. And then you're going to take away 5:45 from 6 o'clock, which gives you 55 minutes. Then you're going to add 55 plus 15 equals 70. And then 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So you're going to divide 70 into 17 to 16 to 70, which gives you 15 and remaining of 10 minutes. The answer would be 1 hour and 10 minutes.
All right, slow down a bit. You lost me. You lost me at here. All right, 6 o'clock. So we had this one. I got this one, which is this one. This one was raffle, right? All right, good. For this one now, how much you got here? Because you were going so fast, I didn't get that far. I think I hear you say 100 minutes. I think I lost you. Gabriel, you were going so fast, I didn't get the part where you said, here. I only got this part, the 15 minutes. All right. Let me put Inmar on. I think I've lost her, so I'm gonna put on Inmar to see if we agree with it. Go ahead, Inmar.
Sir, so how I got my answer, sir. So when I saw the 5:30 on the raffle, sir, and when I saw the 5:45 on an announcement, sir, and when I saw how much they went to, sir, I immediately realized, sir, that it was 15 minutes in all, sir. Sir, so I added all of 15. I added the 15 minutes and got 30, sir.
Okay, so you're saying from 5:30 to 5:45 is 15 minutes. I think Gabriel had pointed out that already. But you're saying no, from 5:45 to 6 o'clock is also 15 minutes?
Yes, sir. Sir, and
Oh.
in all, add 15 plus 15, sir, I get 30, sir.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
sir, so the answer would be 30.
30 minutes. Yeah, I think that's what they want, guys. I don't know if my interpretation is wrong, I noticed some persons separated, but because they say and, how much time is scheduled for the raffle and the announcement? That's why I say I think it should be added. Because the word and, you know, like I said, 2 and 3 make 5. That's my interpretation. So guys, if you're in examiner and you're not sure, you write the raffle and you write the amount, which is the 15 minutes. Do the same thing for
Okay.
announcements. You can mute now, 'cause you might there's something we're learning that nice. You can write down these and then you write the total. Just in case that in Mar you can mute now, yeah? Thanks. The background noisy man. Oh, you're learning that noise. We don't want that, guys. We want you guys to be learning the quiet. All right. Listen to this one now, guys. It says what fraction of the concert it is used for announcements and raffle? That's why I see. Come back again. I think it's that. Yeah. What fraction of the concert? I'm gonna go back up. What fraction of the concert is used for announcements and raffle? So they incorporate. Please write down that, and I'm gonna go back to the table so everyone can see. Good luck, everyone. What fraction? Oh, guys, please break down the fraction in its lowest term. Thanks. So everyone has the same answer. All right. A few persons had text me when after the presentation. So I'm looking at those, right? Even though it gone already, you had sent me before, so I'm still gonna be responding to them. All right. In the meantime. Let me just get these out of the way. The persons who sent last. To break down the fraction in its lowest term. Agree, Ariana. Good job, Giwandi. Gidwani. I got the same thing as you. Pinnock, I got the same thing as you as well. This person, I got the same thing as well. I'm not sure of the name. You're welcome, Pinnock. Let's see who this is again. Yeah, Raymar. Raymara. Lee. Lee. Okay, let's call you Lee. To lower my blood pressure, I'll just call you the last name. Good job, Lee. Good job. So guys, normally on the performance task, these are the more frequent topic, which is perimeter. So the next one will be on this perimeter, area, and we know how to use the grid. These are very important, right? Perimeter, area, and grid. So the next one will be on the Well, guys, we end in 12 minutes. I know you guys have school. I'm not going to keep you much longer over that, all right? Someone asked how long. I think we will finish the paper as well. It seems like we're close to the end. Harris, I can't make out your writing. Could you please write it back so I'm not seeing it? And guys, let me just clarify this. Not everyone is gonna understand everything. But by the time exam come around, everyone will. Because at this stage, we're just launching off, right? This is our first one. Well done, Rikita. Not Rikita. Ritika. Ritika. So a few persons struggle with the fraction part. But quite a number of persons got it correctly on. So work down the fraction in its lowest term. All right, somebody seems to be using the chat. Let me just go in there. Remember, guys, it's the fraction they want. All right, this person is also correct. Good job. That's Brian. The other Brian. Is it Mayweather or Fairweather? All right, then put someone on the floor. Thanks so much, guys, for responding. All right, let's put someone on who's up on the floor. All right, G-Jan, your name is at the top, so let me just take you. What's your answer?
My answer is a fourth because how I calculated it starts at 4 and ends at 6. So I subtracted 6 by 4 and that's 2 hours. 2 hours is 120 minutes. In question 4 we calculated that the time of the raffle and announcement is 30 minutes. So I put 30 over 120. Then I reduced it by 10 and I got 3 over 12. Then reduced it again by 3 and got 1/4.
Yeah, very good. I like how you look at it as well, because some students, I realize you guys are so smart. Sometimes students might say, well, this is 10 minutes. Yeah, I realize everyone did that. They look at the start time and the end time. Makes sense, right? Very good. So I like that. I like that. Right? So it's a total of 2 hours. But remember, we had calculated this part and it's at 30 minutes. So a few persons did not recognize that. Yeah, so it's 30 minutes over the total, which is 120 minutes. And another trick was to convert from the hours to the minutes. And as you said, 2 hours is 120 minutes. So it's 260 minutes. So you can either add them or multiply them. Very good.
And sir, my name is Jihan.
Jihan.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna vex if we call it wrong sometime, but I will get used to it. It's Jihan. That's how you pronounce Jihan. It looks so different from how it's pronounced. All right. Thanks so much. Let me just take a peek. Oh, say long, guys. So probably next week we'll continue on this, and then we'll just move to the next one. Jihan. All right. So 9 individuals signed up for the talent contest. Given that the talent contest schedule, how much time will each contestant have to perform if everyone gets the same amount of time? I love this one. So 9 individuals sign up for the talent contest. Given the talent contest schedule, so I'm going to have to go back up to the table. How much time will each contestant have to perform if everyone gets the same amount of time? It's 9 of them. each person get the same amount of time? How much would each person get? I like this one. So 9 contestants, let me just write it here. And let me just go back down to see what was the, oh, it's a talent contest. Yeah. So it's the talent contest. All right. And we are comparing now. Go ahead and do that, guys. Talent contest based on the number of time given, how much, if each person get the equal amount of time, how much time will each person get? And I'm gonna go to the WhatsApp now. All right, somebody say repeat the question. I'm gonna do something better. Let me go back down. I'm gonna do something. 9 individuals sign up for the talent contestant. Given that the talent contest schedule, how much time will each contestant have to perform if everyone gets the same amount of time? So guys, you guys will get the video. You guys tell me if you want me to send the video to you individually, as I can do that, or you want me to post it on YouTube. So you guys normally want me to post it, but I don't post it, the marathons, without your permission, since it would be unfair for you to pay for it and then others just get it, right? But if you guys say I can do it, that's how I normally post it. So let me know. I could send it to you guys tomorrow, the latest. All right. This person is correct. You just tell me your name. Kidan. No, Mr. Benito. Let's see. Gian. All right, correct, Gian. I can't look at the O it say. All right, Liam says send the video to him. All right, no problem. All right, can do that, guys. I can do that. Yeah, I agree. All right. So everyone voted for individual. So I will send it to you guys. All right, tomorrow. All right, let's go back up to the table now. So it says 9 persons sign up. Each person should get the same amount of time in the talent contest schedule. How much time will each person receive? All right. Agree Inmar. Good job. Correct. Ritika. Good job. All right. I love this, guys. I love this. Our first one, but I love the energy already. All right. All right, Gabriela as well. So guys, I'm gonna take 2 presenters and then next week we're gonna finish off this paper. I don't think there's much leave. I don't like to keep you above 8 o'clock when it's a school night because I know some persons travel far for school. Let me just take a peek, guys, of what see how many questions on it. So some voting something one. Guys, it's just one task leave after this. So I think we can just go ahead and do it. Yeah, we can do it, guys. Just one task. So yeah, next week we start fresh. All right. So then put an individual that can probably take 5 minutes or 10 the most. All right, go ahead, Inmar.
Sir, so who I got my answer, sir? Sir, when he said 9 contestants, sir, and when you look at the the talent contest, sir, from 4:45 to 5:30, sir, is 45 minutes, sir. Sir, and the 9 contests, if you multiply that, sir, you get 9. You multiply the 9 contests, sir, and you get 9 times 9. No, sir, 5 times 9, sir. So when I do the 5 times 9, I get 45, sir. So and the 45 minutes we get, sir, but you only can get 5 minutes, sir. Out of that for all of the 9 contestants, sir.
All right.
Because
Yeah.
of the 5 times 9 we did this, sir.
All right. Very good. Very good. So he says 5 minutes. I agree. Normally, we probably just divide, but he just multiply because he just find which number times the 9. That's kind of dangerous doing it because if it's a fraction, then it's become a little bit difficult. Because what if it was 40? Let's say it was 48 minutes, right? And 9 can go into it. You understand? So it actually divide, but it's correct. It's correct. Once it's a whole number, it's fine. But you could have
Yes,
divided
sir.
45 by the 9. Thanks so much. Very good. So
Yes, sir.
guys, one question and then we go. It says voting on performances. A vote was done to decide the top 4 talent show contestants. The pictograph below shows the result of the voting. So they include a lot of topics in this one. We see pictograph, we see fraction, we see money. So there's a lot of topics came out in this, right? The pictograph showing the vote received for the different performers. Drama, I don't see a key as yet, but I'm assuming the key. Yeah, the key is there. Okay, cool. Guys, please remember, once you have pictograph and those things, look at the key. Sometimes students tend not to do that. I've seen cases where students don't do that. Please look at the key because the key tells you what it will each represent. All right, so drama, dancing, singing, speech, and here we have the key. 1 an is equal to 8 people. Okay, we have half a an. Half of an is equal to 4 people. Let's look at question 7. What is the difference in votes between the top 2 contestants? What is, and that will take us out for today, what is the total distance? Now, what is the difference in votes between the top 2 contestants? Inmar, it's there. The key is there. It was given. I don't have to do anything. It's there. What's the difference? All right, let me check the WhatsApp now. Come on, guys. Let's see if everyone can finish so we don't have to go over the 10 minutes. All right. All right. Jan, I agree with this one. I got the same thing. Good job. Good job. I agree with this person as well. That's Ashani. Good job. Xavier Pinnock. Oh, you see me have to call your first name. Pinnock, correct, correct. And remember, this one is votes, guys. Votes. Rickety. I agree with you as well. Ritika. I agree with yours. Good job, good job. Remember, put the unit, right? It's votes. So put that as well. Good job, guys. So, guys, sadly, we have come to the end of class. I don't know if you guys enjoy it as much as I did, but I think we have a, you know, think we have a good start. I really enjoy it. I like that everyone participate. And though I didn't get to click on everyone, and that's one of the things, guys. When I have marathon, so many persons attend, it kind of hard. It's like we have more people than questions. So it's always gonna be like that. But I try to give everyone as much opportunity as possible. But the good thing, guys, we all get to do it and send to me, right? Because not everyone will get to present. And that's how it goes. All right, Gabriel. But I love that everybody want to participate and so on. All right, Deandra. Well done, Inmar. So next time we'll explore more topics. I can't wait for Sunday. Oh, guys, by the way, when my CXC should be doing their exam this week, Friday, so I'll be able to set more dates for us, all right? I know for the grade 4, we'll be doing the multiple choice, grade 4 and 3. So I will set a date where we can do that. I will look at my timetable, guys. My timetable is so full, but I will have the time to do it. Good job, Brian. I should just put someone on the floor. I just shut my eye, guys, and pick on someone. So anyone it fall on, that person will just present. All right. No one yet? Can't remember to open my eye, guys. Voila. All right. Okay, Gian. I'm not getting Gian, so let me try someone.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, yeah, go ahead. That's how
Sir,
your name pronounced, Gian?
yes, sir. Sir, you're
Okay,
asking
so
for the answer. I didn't hear you properly. You're asking for the answer?
yeah, yeah. I'm getting the pronunciation finally. Come on, just walk us through it.
Okay,
It's the final one. I just called on
so
someone random.
according to what I see dancing and singing are the most, dancing has 48 votes, and singing has 36 votes. So 48 subtracted by 36 is 12 votes.
Okay. All right. So I agree because each one of these full hands is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 6, 8, 48. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 8, 32. Plus the 4, yeah, 36. Good job, good job. All right. Another way we could do it is cross off these, right? By the pairs. And then we have 16 minus 4. That's another way we could do it, you know. Very good, very good. I just see Kijani there as well. Guys, I'm just gonna make everyone say goodbye to each other. Hope you guys enjoy school. Be safe, you know, pay attention in class. And I'll see some of you in regular class, and I'll see some of you back on Sunday. Whichever it is, guys, I will see you guys again, and I'm looking forward to it. And tomorrow, I will send the video, the latest. All right, I've been teaching from 9 o'clock this morning. Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, wait, sir.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
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 Bye. Take care, guys. Great job. Great job. You guys are awesome.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Eh?
My birthday.
Today's a birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Sir,
It should tell us next.
Teachers Day.
Eh?
Tomorrow is Teachers Day.
No.
No, it's Thursday.
Thursday.
Tomorrow is the Mother's Day.
Tomorrow. No, Mother's Day is a Sunday.
Bye,
Probably
everyone.
next week. I don't know if it's next week, but I know Teachers Day is probably it's normally a Wednesday. So probably this
Teacher's
Wednesday.
Day is on 7th.
Okay, sir.
Seven.
Bye.
All right.
Teacher's
Seven.
Day.
I will look on the calendar for that.
Great day.
Guys, when Teachers Day, I'm gonna make sure when you text me, you know, because if you don't text me, I'm gonna cry. All right.
Yes, sir. It's a Wednesday. Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
this week
sir.
Wednesday.
Okay.
Bye.
All right. Thanks so much. I think my school gonna take us somewhere to, you know, they've been asking, and I tell them yes, I'm going. So I don't
Excuse
know
me,
where
sir.
yet. Go ahead.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
It said my mommy was asking. My mommy was saying that she gonna make me come on the program every day, sir. When on Wednesday.
It's not every day, but it's 3 hours per week. So I will just send her, just text it, because I will forget, guys. I'm not gonna lie. You see, once we come off this, everybody's gonna be calling me. Because all the persons who call me and didn't get me, they're gonna call back after 8. But just send me a WhatsApp and I can send the schedule. It's 3 hours you get to pick. And we have lots of space now because all the grade 6 are gone. So we have Tuesday. They can pick either Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 6 to 8, or Saturday, 8 to 10, or 5 to 7.
Saturday and Sunday.
All right,
Sir?
Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, that can work. That can work.
Sir?
Yeah,
Sir?
man, whichever day you want, guys. It's available to anyone. Yeah, man, go ahead.
Where are you from? Which parish are you from?
I'm from St. Catherine.
Oh,
You're from Montego Bay?
yes.
Okay, I think your mom told me already.
Excuse me, sir.
Every time I post grade 6, your mom used to text me and say, when you're doing grade 5, and I say, Mom, I'm gonna do it. So I'm happy now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah?
I just want to say something.
Okay.
One last thing. For number three, I wrote the answer I got was store B, but what I did was not what you did because
Okay.
I divided the 120, which is the cost for the ketchup, by 10, and I got 12, and I multiplied the 3,500 by the 12 and got 42,000.
Oh,
Would
you
it
check
still
you
be
check the longer route. What you did? Work out for 10? Not 10.
no? I work.
But what you
It's
did to compare that? When I get the 42,500, what you did to compare with the other one? Because you'd have to come, because is that what we're doing, right? Comparing both of them and see which has the better deal. So what you did?
I did the same thing for store A and it was 45,000.
Okay. Yeah.
But in PEP would it still be correct?
Yeah, man, the method sound all right. It's just that you took the other route. I don't think they would penalize you for that,
Sarah, can I
right?
see how I did that question?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
So what I did, I found out the LCM of 6 and 10, which is 30. Then I checked the prices of both of them. That will lead up to 30, a box of 30. And
Okay.
I got for store A, I got 11,250. For store B, I got 10,500. So store B is cheaper.
Yeah. Very good. So you see, guys, that's what I was just saying to you. We have different method. It doesn't mean that we are saying you have to do it this way. Once it's sound and you can show your steps, and it's logical, they will accept it, man. That's what PEP is designed for, It's not designed for you to limit yourself. There's no limit with PEP. It's problem solving and so forth. So you show your steps and, you guys will do well, though. You guys are mathematically inclined.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead, TS,
Bye,
TCM.
sir.
Bye, take care. Oh, let me stop the recording, guys. So, as the video go longer, we don't work out of it.